When you are deciding what law firm is right for you, I always tell people first and most importantly, you need to look for a law firm that has experience and has a certain level of expertise in the area that you're looking for a lawyer in. In other words, you're looking for a law firm that's been there before. In civil litigation, workplace injury cases, catastrophic accident cases, nursing home neglect and abuse, in those types of cases, most of them do settle. That's just a fact. Most cases resolve by settlement and don't go to trial. But what is very important for people to know is that lawyers that are experienced and have actually tried cases to juries and gotten successful verdicts are the lawyers who get the best settlements for their clients. It's just a fact. It's kind of common sense. Those who have the experience are going to get the best results. The thing about it today out there when you're looking for a lawyer is there's a lot of advertising. We're not aggressive advertisers. We are a small law firm by choice. It's about quality more than quantity to us. And going through a lawsuit can be a difficult, trying process, and you need to be with someone that really is almost like family. And that's how we look at all of our cases and all of our clients. We look at them as like they're part of our extended Trammell Piazza family.